Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a popular Thai dish that's both delicious and healthy. Stir-fried morning glory, also known as pad pak boong. This dish is a staple in Thai cuisine and is super easy to make at home. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 2 bunches of morning glory, also known as water spinach, 3 cloves of garlic, chopped, 2-3 red bird's eye chilies, chopped, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fermented soybeans optional, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a splash of water. First, wash the morning glory thoroughly and cut it into 2-inch pieces. Make sure to include both the stems and leaves for a nice texture. Heat a wok or a large pan over high heat and add the vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped garlic and chilies. Stir fry for about 30 seconds until they are fragrant. Next, add the morning glory to the wok. Stir fry quickly, making sure all the pieces are coated with the garlic and chili mixture. Now, add the oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, and fermented soybeans if you're using them. Stir everything together well. If the pan seems a bit dry, add a splash of water to help cook the vegetables evenly. Continue to stir fry for another minute or two until the morning glory is tender but still crisp. And that's it. Your stir-fried morning glory is ready to be served. Serve this delicious dish with steamed rice for a perfect meal. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. Don't forget to give it a try at home and let me know how it turned out in the comments below. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.